Okay, here's what you can get when you buy a used car or used truck. This thing's a 2006, I think, Ford F-150. And somebody did some work on this thing before. They put cab corner in. Look at how they did that. I don't think they even owned a wire feed welder. The guy was a pretty good painter, whoever did it, but they did a really poor job with the rust repair. You can see how they cobbled in the cab corner here, and it's not even, like I say, my light is kind of poor. You can see, there you go. You can see that they didn't even weld that on there. That's just kind of glued on, and they put a patch panel on the back here too, on the front of the box, and I don't even want to even try to do anything to that because it might turn into a can of worms. But here's a patch panel that they, well, not a patch panel, a patch they made, and that went in like this. That went like that, and it's just a big cobbled up mess is what it is. And they put like 2 screws in it, and right there they used Duraglass to bond that to the cab corner. I think it must have gone like that, something like that. Oh, what a rotten deal. But as you can see, it's been on there a long time because of the rust on the back though. But yeah, there's somebody stuffed some steel wool in there to make it look a little better. Well, here's the patch that I made. This is what I'm going to put in there. There's one of them's for the left hand and one's for the right hand. And I'll show you the other side of it too. And see, I've been patching it up. At least I do a little nicer job than the other people that worked on it. I got one of my helpers right there, and I got a big helper right there. So. But I'm very messy right now. I got to clean up in here. But yeah, I pulled out the old cab corner and put in a new one, and at least I weld my patches in there. What a cobbler. Made some patches there too. It's all rotten. But yeah, here's the cab corner that I took out. Somebody put this in. Yeah, somebody put this in, and what they did is they put some bonding adhesive on the bottom, which is kind of a glue. Instead of welding it, they put bonding adhesive, and then on the top to hold that in, they have 1 screw they stuck in there, right there. That's the only thing holding the top of it in there. But what they did is bought the whole cab corner, and then they cut it off at this height with some sort of a saw. And then they, like I say, right somewhere in here, that's where they put it in there, and they used 1 screw on the top and some bonding adhesive on the bottom. And you can see like I say, my light is pretty poor. But I'm putting my patch panel in there. If you're going to do it right, the guy should put a whole new rocker panel in there, but I'm not doing that. But that's what's going on though. So.